Hello and welcome back to another video. I've got another weekly bullet journal set up for you today. I'm going to quickly flick through and show you this week's spread. So this was my Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo kit. This is how it turned out. I'm using this one as a memory page for January. I'll stick some photos and stuff in on there. Here's my February cover page, going with the love hearts, this concept of love confuses and infuriates us. It's my February calendar page, really simple, and then I've got a box here for what I've been watching in the month, what I've been reading in the month, and what I've been listening to in the month. So this is going to be my weekly setup page. It'll take me a little bit longer to set up my boxes this week because within the month I'm able to kind of lightly see the edges of the boxes, so I'm going to have to count them all out again myself. I'm going to be using my To the Stars kit. This is one of my favourite kits I've designed. This is featuring a space bob. That's the full boxes. Then you've got little things, date covers, half boxes, and some deco, and check boxes, icons, more bottom washi. I may or may not pinch some deco from the Hobonichi kit that I used in my weekly day-to-day planner. So that's it. I'm going to draw boxes using my Staedtler 1.2 pigment liner because it's waterproof and it won't smudge. And then I'm going to use watercolours to just do like a really dark blue, slightly purpley background, kind of reflecting background on this. May or may not add some splatters of stars. I haven't quite worked out if that's what I want to do or not yet. I'm going to stop waffling and I'm going to get going. Okay, so here we are, here's my final spread. Really love how dark the pages are compared to like most of my previous pages. I added a lot more water to this paint, so it's a lot more washed out, whereas this is like watercolour. So here's first half of the week. We've got Monday, Tuesday, list for my meals, to-do list, and this is a countdown to when I go away. These are some bigger stickers I printed and cutted really quickly so I could add them to my page. Got a couple of extra ones I couldn't find the spaces to put them in. So it saves me having to draw them out. And then this is the second half of the week, so we've got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, rest of the 4 boxes, and I had extra deco because I didn't want to put extra, like the deco down here because I think it would be too busy, so I stuck it up the side here. So there we go. Really love those colours. So this is what I have left from the kit. I have got some quarter boxes, some appointment labels, some half boxes, a couple of strips of washi and a quarter box, some checklists, some quarter boxes, loads of icons, and I have little things, some 3-star check boxes and some more half boxes, and these checklists here and some flags. And what I have been doing, because it's a bullet journal kit, so I don't have tons and tons of boxes, I've been cutting these up to kind of give me extra boxes to fill in. I'll see if I can show you one here. So I've kind of cut a big box up into smaller pieces. It just gives me that little extra room to write on. I did a couple over here, so there's a 3 checklist there, but these ones here are like these check boxes, and I just cut a strip off and stick them in. So with this being a darker background as well, I might have to do that a little bit more this week so that you can see the writing clearly. But there we go, that's my To the Stars kit that's available now. I'd like to do some new releases as well. So new release for this week is called Always Be You. This is the full kit, the full boxes, little things. We have the date covers and bottom washi, loads of deco, icons, some more boxes, check boxes and some quarter boxes, more half boxes, and your headers and your extra deco. So that's the full kit, and that's Always Be You. This will be out on Saturday. It also comes in a mini / bullet journal kit. This is the type of kit that I use in my bullet journal. So again, 4 boxes. We have little things, date covers, some half boxes, and half of the bottom washi, the rest of the bottom washi, and deco. So that's the mini / bullet journal kit. And then it also comes as a Hobo Weeks kit. So we have 4 boxes, we've got date covers, icons, flags, and some washi strips and habit trackers. We've got sticky notes, some more washi, some deco, some checklists and some quarter boxes, half boxes, sorry, weekend banner as well. And then we have the big chunky washi, some checklists, more deco, another box, and some icons. So that is the Always Be You kit, and that is out on Saturday. The other thing that's out on Saturday is my March monthly, and you can see it's been totally inspired by the Always Be You kit. March for me is quite a spring month. It's leading into Easter. It's time for me to get out into the garden, and you know, our daffodils will start growing, and you know, there'll be more insects and things. So that's kind of where the inspiration has come from. So you get some, you get the date, you get loads of full boxes, sticky notes, some deco, and some little birthday bobs. And then the second page, you get a couple more boxes here, date covers, and then you have your days of the week, some thin strips of washi, bildews, some movie time icons, quite a few of these half boxes. I tend to use these quite a lot, so I keep adding more and more into the kit. Some coffee cups and some payday bobs, and a couple of extra bits of deco on the top there. So this will also be available in the shop on Saturday. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, click the like and subscribe buttons, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye!